Poutine is a simple yet indulgent Canadian dish made of crispy French fries and chunks of salty, softened cheese curds smothered in a tangy gravy. Here is a recipe for authentic Canadian poutine. Ingredients needed for Canadian poutine: 1 bag of frozen French fries, 1 cup of cheese curds, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of chicken broth, salt and pepper to taste. How to prepare poutine. 1. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. Bake the French fries according to the instructions on the package. 3. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk until smooth. 4. Gradually add the beef broth and chicken broth, whisking constantly. 5. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the gravy has thickened. 6. Season the gravy with salt and pepper to taste. 7. To assemble the poutine, place the French fries in a large bowl. Pour the gravy over the fries, then sprinkle the cheese curds on top. 8. Serve the poutine hot and enjoy. Enjoy your homemade poutine.